Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you the skin retouching process in Photoshop. So I'll show you the easiest way how to make this one more smoother and the amazing things. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, make a copy by pressing Ctrl or Command J, and we'll work with this. This one is the edit. So here at first we'll remove the spot which one is prominent, and here the spot healing brush tool, or press J from the keyboard, you can get this one. Make it smaller. Before that you have to check this one content aware and make this one normal, and the brush size 25 pixel is good, and here select once, so the spot will gone. So if you have any prominent spot, you have to remove those things and it will make sense. And here, okay, that's good. And now we'll make another two layers, which one is the blur and which one is the sharp. So press Ctrl J and J and rename these layer blur. That means we'll make it blur, and this one like high pass. So this one, the another name of the high pass is sharpness. And we'll make this one 3 layers, and we'll complete the things which is the skin retouching. This skin is not smooth, we'll make it smooth. Turn off the high pass or sharpness and select the blur layer, go to the filter and go to the blur and make it Gaussian blur. So after making it Gaussian blur, make this one like that. Okay, 8.5 is good for me, and this one how will be, it depends on your photographs, and hit the OK button. Okay, after that select the high pass or sharpness, and this one make this one like a hard light. Here is the hard light option, and after that go to the filter, go to the other and high pass. So in this portion just make sure that don't make it too much, just make it little bit. Select these two things, make it group, and then make this one mask and press Ctrl or Command I, make it inverse or reverse mask. Now go to the brush tool and make the brush size bigger. Just when this one is black, make this one white, and then you can just brush over there. Before that, make the opacity a little bit down, it will help you out to make the smooth area properly. And now select these two things, make it group, actually make it group, and make another merged layer. And after that going to the filter and now camera filter. Now we'll add some texture and other stuffs. Going to the basic options, from here temperature like this, and here the contrast like this, and the texture will add texture from here, and if you want you can add clarity. Here the highlight portion you can make it down, and you can pick color from here if you want. The hair color or the face color you can pick up from here. Yes, this color is good. And highlight, I'll make the down highlight like this, and from here going to the color mixture options, from here I'll increase the red saturation a little bit and the luminance as well. From here yellow or orange, luminance I'll increase, the eye color will enhance, so like that. From the basic portion I'll add some temperature like this. Yeah, that's fine. And here the color grading, which color will be in the shadow portion, you can define from the hue. So I would like to add some color like this, and the mid-tone color, the color should be like this. Okay, and the highlight color like this, and then hit OK. So let's see the changes, the before and after, huge changes. Now we'll go to another filter, which is the Nik Collection, and bunch of preset over here, which is the filter, and I'll add another filter from there. And from here I'm using the cross processing here. Lots of filter over here. Which one is perfect for your photography? You have to define that. So L02, L03. So using the L03 and hit OK. It will take time to load and provide you the final result. And in this case I'm getting too much highlight from here. I'll control that things, going to the filter again and going to the camera filter. From here going to the basic options and de-highlight a little bit. Okay, and hit OK. So let's see, the before one was like that and after one you're getting like that. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment in my video comment section. In this portion or in this technique, you don't have to any kind of plugins or other stuffs to remove or smooth the skin from the Photoshop or in the Photoshop. So until the next video, and ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.